Hanyuma muraho amakuru yawe
meza
bakwita nde ku mazina
banyita Rajab Hussein
ndabona muri timu y'abantu bambaye uniform iyi timu bayita timu ki
muri make jewe ndi umuvugizi w'itimu bita Basecamp Private Healthcare Association baranga na Kivale ndetse ni muri Isingiro district.
Hanyuma turumva kuko ari ijambo ry'icongereza ariko mu bundi buryo nabashinzwe ubuzima bw'abantu nabahagarariye amafarmasi cyangwa se ibitaro byigenga
amafarmasi
yigenga. Hanyuma twabonye mufitemo n'imiti hano imbere yacu yitwa Albendazole. Izo Albendazole mwari muzijanye hehe mwebwe nk'ishirahamwe ry'abaganga?
Bo twaricaye turaranga hamwe na Kivale abantu benshi babayeho bagafata n'imiti y'inzoka. Twagiye turicara tuvuga tuze gufasha abana batuye mu karere ka Kabazana na cyane kuko niho hari abantu bafite ubuzima buri hasi bucende mu Gakenke. Tuvuga tuze kubahereza imiti y'inzoka kugira ngo tuze kuba vermifugant fete kugira ngo tukubakingira inzoka muri make.
Okay, mwagize neza. None se aho Kabazana mwahageze babakiriye gute, byari bimeze gute?
Kabazana twahageze tubana n'umuzejwe zone ya Kabazana wangita muri Chayimani ngaha muri Uganda. Twahageze kuko twamuhaye raporo imbere y'igihe arayakira habaye kumwibutsa tumwibukije babyishimiye cyane rwose baca baduhereza n'uburenganzira ko twatanga iyo miti ku mashuri atandukanye no hari abana ko iyi minsi abana baba bari ku mashuri mugiye mu ngo ntabwo mwashaka kubaronka mwa tugiye ku mashuri twabaronka bigenze neza cyane rwose gusumba.
Mwakoze cyane. Hanyuma se abo bana tubashije nko kubara nk'umubare mwagejeje se nk'abana nk'igihumbi mwabashije gusura muhereza iyo miti?
Tugerageje kubara abana igihumbi ntabwo bakwiye ariko twahaye nk'abana bari nka 500 muri nuko all.
Okay, mwakoze cyane. Hanyuma hano imbere turi kumwe na chairman wacu. Chairman ndagira ngo we akenshi akoresha ururimi rw'igiswahili yabasha kubibwira abandi nabo batumva ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda cyangwa se ikirundi ubwo kugira ngo babashe kubidukurikira.
Asante sana. Kwa majina ni Winnie Makanda. Mimi ni chairman wa Basecamp Private Healthcare Association.
Sasa chairman, nadhani mko na timu ya watu mingi sana. Leo hii mlikuwa mnatembelea fasi gani?
Hao wanaume wenye unaona hapa ni wanaume wa nguvu sana.
Asante.
Ni wajasiri.
Asante sana.
Ni wadogo lakini wana ujasiri.
Asante.
Kiukweli tulikuwa mzone ya Kabazana.
Sasa katika ile zone ya Kabazana mulikuwa na lengo gani katika zone hiyo?
Ofete zone ya Kabazana ni zone yenye iko affecte sana na magonjwa. Ndiyo.
Magonjwa gani unaweza tueleza?
Tukaona kama magonjwa ni ya mingi sana, malaria inawatesa, typhoid inawatesa, nyoka za tumbo zinawatesa, vermifish. So tukaona tutembelee zone ya Kabazana kwa watoto kufatana na challenge ya mai katika na Kivale. Hizi siku miezi mitatu hii lake yetu ilikuwa imekauka sana. Lakini Mungu ni mwema. Mvule imenyesha. Maligre mvule imenyesha. Batoto wametumia maji ya uchafu sana. Ikatupasha sisi tutembelee zone ya Kabazana.
Na sasa pale Kabazana kwenye mlitembelea mulifika wakawa akeire na furaha mingi.
Kusema kweli bila kutembea mbali kwenye mlima watu walituona wakafurahia sana.
Asante sana. Sasa hapo Kabazana kwenye mlitembelea, mlifika mkawapatia watoto dawa, walikuwa sawa watoto ya watu sawa makumi ngapi wala maelfu ngapi?
Asante sana. Sitaanzia kwanza pale.
Ndio.
Tulifika kwenye uongozi wa Kabazana.
Ndio.
Tukawaambia shida zetu.
Ndio.
Tukawaonesha shida ya population ya Kabazana.
Ndio.
Tukawaambia kufatana na magumu ya watoto wanayo.
Ndio.
Ni lazima tuwapatie dawa.
Ndio.
Inayoitwa albendazole. Yenye unaona pale?
Ndio.
Umeiona mzuri?
Ndio.
Tukasema kufatana na maji ya watoto walikunywa maji ya uchafu sana. Inatupasha sisi tupane albendazole kwa watoto.
Sawa.
Na nombre ya watoto yenye tumepana iko 500 à 600.
Asante sana. Tunawashukuru.
Asante.
Kwa kazi njema mlitumika. Kwa kazi ya kusaidia population ya Kabazana. Kwa hiyo hatujue neno gani lenye unaweza ambia population yenye haijawahi kuona ile albendazole, wala shauri gani yenye unaweza ukawapatie wengine wenye wanatufuata kwa mtandao huyu?
Neno yetu tunaweza tukaambie population yenye haijawahi kuona albendazole. Lakini tuna matumaini kama mingi wanajua albendazole. Lakini sasa kupata ile albendazole ndio shida sana. Lakini tunawapatia moyo wavumilie. Jinsi tulisema Kabazana. Haiko albendazole tu ndio itawaletea hapana. Tutawaletea madawa za malaria, madawa sijui za kukinga hata malaria, mamisegetera, madawa ya kuchuja maji. Na kuna nafasi ambayo tulitembelea, tumekutana mu masomo watoto hawana makaye, hawana maviti, watoto wanakaa chini. Ile imetuumiza sana kwa moyo yetu. Na tuliwapatia appointment. Siku moja tutawatembelea.
Asante sana kwa wazo nzuri. Asante sana kwa Base Camp Healthcare Association kwa kazi njema. Mungu awabariki.
Asante sana.
Sir?
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
So now I'm seeing this card. What the meaning of this one?
This is for Private Healthcare Association.
Private Healthcare Association.
Base Camp.
In a short way, can you explain us what meaning of that association?
So this association works with MTI. So we are here like in a group of members of association. We went to that Kabazana to distribute some medicine.
The medicine, eh? So I'm seeing you with many guys here. We're traveling with the some medicine albendazole. So these albendazole you bring for which purpose?
So we bring it for deworming some people of Kabazana area.
Why did you choose the Kabazana area?
We chose the Kabazana area because it is the effect side of this camp of Nakivale.
So in the Kabazana area, which category did you give that medicine?
We decided to give those kids of 3 years up to 15 years.
So have you got that problem, that children easily or difficultly?
Yeah, we got it easily because we passed it to the local government of this Kabazan. We told them our problems. They said there's no problem. So in order to get to those children very easily, we went at a school where learners were studying.
Wow, I see your association of private. So is it easy for getting this medicine?
This medicine, it is not very easy, but we do our best in order how to get this medicine because we are nurses, we are doctors. Some of us are not doctors and others are nurses. So we did some contribution for getting some that money for buying this medicine.
Means in a short way you don't have any donors, or you have them.
We don't have any donors. Well, for us only we are only our own donors.
Okay, as your association, what are you suppose, or what do you want as all other people to help you?
Our request is like this: we need supporters to support us and to get some Kafyuka money for going to shop some medicine and other things which can help us to do what to help some community people.
Okay, so is it in Kabazana only, or you supposed to go other way in this business? Because you know it is in Nakivale, Naki Valley is more vast. So what do you prefer?
So our association works in single district. So our purpose is not only here in Naki Valley. Maybe when we go to Blaze and when we go to Donors, we shall go even more behind in Naki Valley. We go there in the Kabingo, Rugaga, and wherever where our association is working to.
Which is very good. So I think if you continue like this, it will be good, and also that donors, supporters will get it. So are you in MTN, or you work MTI? Sorry, or you work alone? So how can you say about that?
Let me help you. We are working in collaboration with MTI.
Oh.
We are in collaboration with the MTI. When we have some problems, we go there, we avoid that problem, and the MTI also is there to help us.
Oh, so when you see what you have done in that children, how many children have you given that medicine?
I mean, we supported like 5 up to 600 kids at 3 schools where we visited.
Okay, that's very nice. Thank you very much for that what you have done. Maybe I think we meet another day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Nice day.
Thank you.
Okay.
You are welcome.
Thank you much.
Hakiri abashitsi? Aba n'abashitsi bakora nka muri base camp baje abazaniye imiti y'inzoka. Reka tubakire, turakomera amashi. Yeah, sisters, you are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Mwaba makuru yanyu? Hama twebwe turabashitsi bavuye base camp, twaje kubazanira imiti y'inzoka. Bivaye n'ukuntu aho dutuye haba hariho amazi mabi n'ibindi bintu turya tutakaravye, kugira ngo twikingire ibyo byose tugomba kujya kwanza tumaze imbere yuko turya ibyo kurya tumaze kujya gukaraba. Rero ko yabishika bikatugora tukajya tutakaravye, twazanye ino miti kugira ngo tujye gute tubakingire iki inzoka. Abo twaje kubavura maze twaje kubakingira iki inzoka. Inzoka ziba mu wiki mu mazi mabi tujya gute tunywa bira bidamu, kandi ndabasavye ntimuze muge gute ntimuze bagenda kwara mu bidamu mu mazi mu bidamu. Mugeze mu rugo imbere ko murya mu mazi muge gute manza gukaraba. Niki? Ni sabuni. Thank you very much. You clap on your hand. Clap on. Mukarabe niki ni sabuni imbere ko turya. Kugira ngo twikingire iki inzoka. Sawa? Hanyuma jema ndavuga banyita muganga Rajab Hussein. Nta menshi ngombye kwizimbamwo, ndabasabira umugisha namwe muze mwige mube abaganga nkanje, siko none? Hanyuma nimutaba abaganga namwe z'abaroya muzabe nabigisha nk'abandi. Navyo imiti bahereza muyifate mugeze mu rugo tubabwira ati hari abaganga ba base camp bande baduhaye imiti y'iki y'inzoka, barungitswe n'ivuriro rya Nyarugugu, turakorana nabo. Sawa? Hagira ubwoba rero, bamwe banyu baduhaye uruhusha. Sawa? Umwana umwe afata ikinini iki akihekenye akimeke asosa ni nk'imbombo. Mwatinye binini?
Ndabikunda ibinini.
Okay. Bueno,
Fungura indani karimo gatamiro gahikinye neza umugeye.
Ati uraza kurya ibinini bibiri.
fungura.
Sibyo? Umwe wese ni kimwe. Uwo baheretse cyaka bashaka kujya bari bampaye.
Wegenda mu ishuri wanyu nawe.
uwo baheza agikuramo akakirya, sibyo? Eggs.
Biraryoshye kimeze neza cyane sibyo?
Nako kari ngaho namuhereza barabaha
babahaye mwese mwese babahaye
Nikamate photo shoot.
utarusi kinini ninde
Inde tarosi. Hari n'umwe.
kunywa amazi yo nta n'umwe munda mumukomera amazi
komera amashyi menshi cyane
rero twabazaniye ibinini imiti kugira ngo tubakingire inzoka. Inzoka ni indwara iva ku mazi mabi tunywa, cyane cyane amazi y'ibidamu, amazi mabi tunywa ngaha mu gice aho dutuye, no kurya indya mutagize gute mudakarabye. Rero ndabifuza muvuye ku ishuri mutashe mu ngo zanyu kandi mu ngo zacu, imbere yo kurya tugomba gukaraba amazi meza hamwe n'isabuni, amatwara gute gufungura, kubera aha mugenda yari yakubuza ku matwareti mukituma mukaba mudakarabye. Ibyo nyine ni inzoka ziza ku maboko yanyu, abamugaza murira n'inzara n'iki mugatamba kurya za ndya mushize mu kanwa mwamuje y'iki inzoka mu nda. Rero bino binini tubahereza zirakingire iki indwara z'iki z'inzoka zo mu nda, murabyumva? Rero nabasaba kugira ngo mugeze mu rugo mubabwiye ati hariho abaganga ba Best Camp Health Care Association baje tuzaniye iki imiti yo kudukingira iki inzoka zo mu nda.
Naje burya binini bingahe bibi? Watumvise? Uwo mpereza atasohoka atata? Murabyumva? Ndaguhereje usohoka tugira ikotata? Watumvise? None mwaba inzoka twafata gute? Twafata gute? Iyo mwariye mwageze iki mutakara? Murakara mugiye kurya? Murakaraba?
Abakaraba bazamura amaboko turebe. Abakaraba ariyo abo nabonye badakaraba. Mwebwe niki gituma mudakaraba? Mujya mushika mu rugo mugire gute? Murye mwagize gute? Mwakarabye. Okay, mumanura amaboko murakoze. Bagiye kuba iki? Kandi bigize gute biraryo? Thank you so much. Mwese ngira ngo babahaye ibinini. Abo bahaye ibinini muzamura amaboko turebe. Hari abo mbona batazamuye amaboko. Bahaye ibinini mwese? Okay, bababwiye ko ari bande babahaye ibinini. Ni bande babahaye ibinini? Bavuze ko bavuye ko muvuga cyane. Bababwiye ko ari bande babahaye ibinini. N'abaganga ba Best Camp. Kongere kandi abaganga bavuye hehe? Best Camp. Babahaye ibinini by'iki? By'inzoka. Thank you so much. Uwo bagihereza no kugifata ukagihekenya ukakirya. Okay.
Baguhereje igihe kimwe neza umire.
Biraryoshye sibyo?
Biraryoshye.
Wewe mubifata mubirya mureke kubyicarana mubifate mubirye
mutamire
Sitakamata huyu mpatie.
Fungura. Wewe kutagifunguye fungura ukirye.
Mpatie.
Nawe wewe turi kurya wewe urye igicawe wewe ntiwakiriye wewe igikinini cyawe kiraryoshe wewe nturi kurya. Okay. Yes.
Patie katumu yako. Sister, kila mtu mtampatia hivi unaona?